kasa about how one or high school or so high school and one country no man could $48,000 and son and nebane catch and say only interested in school even talked about how nebane drugs and all of that to enemy say nebane mami anyane de and no Facebook live there hoye de pa because no so be fire kika cancel pi ni fie ne baba ko ye benkuta enyo me pi I mean Facebook there no Facebook here de pana enyo no kwanso na about making some damning revelations about Honorable Kennedy Ebra one while we need to Ebrawani ono so about sana Kennedy, even though no pointing out people who are you in quote dirty in the game, no or no crown so no hunt or your money laundering in your man to say what there no din say Charlie. If you think you have balls, I will come out with them here, I'll come out with certain things about you and phone him.
Wow.
In the amount of for kasa say Kennedy saw back out ebe defending him because one country means it's true exactly now and also so enko chengu Donzi so
Donzi Chaka
or admonish government can say or kasa or pa president say one more Omo stranded no more abroad no mutimi befi. You should focus on one more moonies canimum than our celebrities or the ones that have stars. Now I say omo betimi taking care of certain things. Now how no forget you on focusing on people who are actually
so
very needy.
They can't even afford
exactly. And one some of the things are trending a man call for a casa or social media.
All right. Many thanks to you, Pa. And boy and come out say that's it. Your first like I say, my proud sponsors on one darma, your Timmy Edway Brew, no Manex Herbal Capsules. A patch away no say we Bema. Na time no asona o kwakoye na fe na wafa achiri ho ekoye yi ansa na obo ba no wa be yi bema onye bema sa we bema say anytime be a best at bia na chese wo no kekra ujira na so you know what I'm saying sa pepere essential no etie etinu we no your ho aduro eto opreko na chese da bia you are prepared. Manex Herbal Capsules, natural, herbal extracts, a woman and boost to male vitality, when your energy, performance, which is ultimate performance bar. A bois a promote libido, stamina, face, sexual potency, so they do die. Say, hey, what do I say? I feel more droba, also a bois busuani, and your friend HB Rich Syrup, a super multivitamin tonic. All the essential minerals and vitamins in ashemu ma and unya bina no more mount me from fefe kama and my immune system so one bumper a complete vitality for the whole family. You can for the mobile and right now are available our pharmacy shops across the country. Do pano na wabomodia Alfred Sharp Pharmaceuticals 0302 2220 329 Alfred 020 807-2107 and 0249 436 756. Now, Odia Dinkomo. I have an announcement to make right after this one.
Manex discover desire.
Manex a memedro. Manex a memadiabunye. Manex Kenya Bama Bama Tria Bama.
So one low sperm count. What do I name Manex?
A sanso mahos a pema ujna nasu pinti.
Sansuna edin Kenya boni pedrium mauja naso kreme.
Enti aya ama memman kwa.
Sawupe enroidu duatua. Kwa Shop Pharmaceuticals. Asalam jam. Ubenye be our pharmaceutical shop. Anafre
020-812-9841 and 024-943-6756 and 030-222-0329.
Manex for men only.
Manex. Discover desire. Manex.
Just look at a Festo and it will
will make you drool. It's young and hip, and it's really super cool. Every Festo bite is milky to the core. The moment you taste it, you want some more. No, I won't share it with you, no. It's my Milky Fest. I call it, you call it, we call it Festo. Holly Festo Milk Shortcake. Shortcut to fun.
All right, so we are back. Nah, the open to say, as promised, as I say, name, Prince David or say, a chicken come on, a video. So now, earlier something happened, and then because of that, you know, my some way be near it, you know, and now that's common honest, you know, and Yamaya Dumwa this Friday. And this and common bro. We want to